Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to try to sculpt cartoon style character head. Whole head of the character. Male head, as you can see on my screen. 2021 was quite crazy for me and my channel. Well, my channel is quite old. This is the first year when my channel is doing so great. Everything started from my head sculpting tutorial, and while it's posted in 2020, it didn't do too well till 2021. And while everyone is joking that I don't upload at all, I made 30 videos this year. And we had 17 streams. And let's not forget my amazing community on Discord. Also, I believe this year was not just best for my channel, but for my practice as well. I made so many cool projects, and I still really love most of them. I still don't really understand YouTube too well and why some of my videos doing so great, but others doesn't. If you would ask me what was my favorite YouTube videos, I would say it would be Overlord and Xion. And I'm quite sad that these videos are probably the most not watched videos on all of my channel. And that really sucks because I really loved making these type of videos. And that definitely doesn't mean that I will stop making these type of stuff. And actually for this year, I think I'm gonna do quite a lot more of them, or at least try. And I'm not really in a hurry to completely change what my channel is about, but I will probably try to make more different content than I used to. So I'm thinking to talk about the cinematics from the video games like League of Legends or Apex. And if you have some more suggestions, you can leave them in the comment section for me to read. And I have a lot of other big ideas for my channel, so I'm very excited for this upcoming year, and not just this year, but what is going to happen in the future. And even after this video, I think I will release quite interesting series and another quite cool videos, which I'm very excited for. And hopefully I will learn a lot of cool and amazing new stuff this year. And if you really love my videos, I definitely recommend watching my anime Xion in CGI and Overlord. And don't forget to leave the like on those videos. Again, thanks everyone for watching my content and being such a nice friend in the Discord. Don't forget to join the Discord if you haven't joined yet. And I can't wait to work on more cool and amazing projects this year. I'll leave you with some cuts from my videos, and I hope you have an amazing year.
Overloaded, careful, don't pull the cord on.